Okay, photo shoot loading, photo shoot things. Okay. Okay, because I walk with a vengeance. Hold on. I talk because I ain't pretending. Just stand. Ever I want. I'm a grown woman. I can do whatever I want. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Tell me you can say if you want. Woman, I can do whatever I want. Come on. Oh yeah. I'm a grown woman. We gotta show off the nails. Yes, for the clean version. No come on my residence, leaving no evidence. Meet me at the hotel. He know me so well. Okay. I ain't taking no L's. Okay.
It's okay, just pretend like you're 8 years old.
You recording? Get you staring out the window. That's the reason why you're always on my mind. You, when I see you, when you might walk by, gotta be right on time when I see you. When I see you. Oh, okay, Cake. Okay, Tommy is 22. Yes.
You got this, Queenie.
I have my Glam squad here. The photographer of the day, Anna Henriquez. Then we got Tashika on the hair, Tashika on the BA. Make sure you subscribe to her YouTube channel. Link will be in the bio. My other assistant, my baby, TT. She says she ain't no baby. She's my baby.
Yeah, you can.
This is our backdrop. One of the backdrops we're working with today. We have some neon colored paper on the other side that we might use. And then we have this white backdrop over here that we're probably going to use too. And I will include the final photos at the end and the beginning of this video.
No, this
Woo.
is we do this at our job too.
It's so
like
pretty.
I forgot what they call it, but it's edible paper.
Oh yeah.
That's what we call it.
It's so
I don't know how.
Yeah.
You gonna be eating paper?
No, this was nice.
Make that cake for it. Pull it out the garage.
Make that cake, 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 make.
Outfit number 2. Pretty waist. I said pretty face, not the right thing. Pretty face, thin waist with a big bank. Let me stop. No, let me stop. Oh, I can do a silhouette challenge. Okay. Okay. You ready? Can you see it?
Are you not using the light?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we should.
No, it's kind of good like that.
This light's big. We can add it later on. Okay.
It'll just make it look good.
They can set mommy pics too, right?
Yeah.
This corner is like nice, so we don't have to trim out the doors. Middle finger too.
That's cute.
I want to make sure you can see it. Stiff wear.
Wow.
Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Okay, y'all, it's way too late for me to be talking, but I'm done with my birthday photo shoot. I think it's gonna turn out really well. I love my makeup. I'm gonna let you get a close-up of the makeup. So yeah, I'll attach my favorite pictures at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'm missing a nail. Yikes. Bye. See you next video.
I'm a queen.